Morning. Welcome all. This is Jagdish and sharing the market technical view. Nifty on an intraday basis holds 19,600 and closed at 19,754. Nifty interestingly poised for now, the range being 19,900 to 19,550. Bank Nifty maintains its range of 45,200 and manages to close 45,650, the range being 46,500 on the upper side on the resistance zone and 45,200 on support zones. IT index showing signs of reversals can continue its leadership in coming days. Do continue to accumulate in quality stocks for long-term portfolio. Thanks for watching. Happy investing. Take care.